Imagine a world where the complexities of financial protection and property management dissolve into a single, seamless digital experience. A vision born from the minds of relentless innovators who dared to reimagine the stagnant landscape of traditional insurance and asset technology. It all began with a spark of frustration, a realization that the existing systems were archaic, slow, and disconnected from the needs of the modern consumer, prompting a small group of visionaries to establish what would eventually evolve into the powerhouse known as XChange TEC.INC. In the early days, the company was nothing more than a bold idea sketched on a whiteboard, fueled by the determination of its founders who navigated the treacherous waters of the competitive Asian markets with nothing but their grit and a belief that technology could humanize finance. They started by tackling the most immediate pain points in the rental and insurance sectors, building a foundation of trust brick by brick, solving the problem of opacity in transactions that had plagued the industry for decades, and slowly winning over a skeptical customer base. From those humble beginnings, the trajectory of XChange TEC.INC shifted dramatically as they began to scale, transforming from a scrappy startup into a structured organization that attracted top-tier talent from across the technology and financial sectors to join their ambitious mission. The workforce expanded rapidly, not just in numbers but in capability, as engineers, data scientists, and industry veterans flocked to the company, drawn by a culture that prioritized radical innovation and the freedom to challenge the status quo of the insurance technology world. As the years passed, the company's footprint grew beyond its initial borders, establishing a network that connected thousands of independent agents and business partners, creating a massive ecosystem that served as the backbone for their relentless expansion into new territories and markets. Investors began to take notice of this quiet giant rising in the East, seeing the undeniable metrics of growth and the sheer stickiness of their platform, which had managed to integrate itself deeply into the daily operations of countless insurance intermediaries and property managers. But the true differentiator was their refusal to settle for incremental improvements. Instead, they constantly sought to disrupt their own business model, pivoting towards a tech-first approach that placed them leagues ahead of traditional competitors who were still reliant on paper and phone calls. Now, we stand at the precipice of their greatest evolution yet, as XChange TEC.INC aggressively integrates state-of-the-art artificial intelligence into every layer of their operational stack, fundamentally rewriting the rules of how insurance products are designed, distributed, and managed. The integration of AI has significantly streamlined internal operations, eliminating tedious workflows for policy underwriting and claims processing, reducing overhead costs, and improving the end consumer's service experience. The company's decision-making has shifted from intuition to data-driven analytics, providing real-time insights into market trends, risk assessments, and customer behavior to maximize impact. By leveraging AI capabilities, XChange TEC.INC is enhancing customer experience, creating a frictionless journey for users to secure coverage or manage assets. Advanced AI capabilities are boosting the company's long-term profitability by saving costs and scaling workflows, allowing the company to serve millions of customers without increasing operational costs. The potential for widespread market growth is immense as these workflows scale without a proportional increase in operational costs. XChange TEC.INC has been making waves through strategic collaborations, as well as high-profile partnerships with major insurance carriers and distribution channels, expanding its reach into untapped demographics and solidifying its authority in the broader financial technology ecosystem. These strategic partnerships represent deep, structural integrations with major insurance carriers and distribution channels, opening up torrential new revenue streams that diversify the company's income and protect it from market fluctuations. Aligning with established industry titans while retaining their tech-centric identity, XChange TEC.INC is positioning itself as the indispensable bridge between the old world of finance and the new digital frontier, a position that commands immense strategic value. The company's market influence is expanding as these collaborations yield creating a network effect where each new partner adds exponential value and may trigger a catalyst event that sends shockwaves through the stock's valuation within the coming quarters. Ultimately, the current stock price of around $0.95 reflects undervaluing the massive technological infrastructure and intellectual property built over the last decade. With an aggressive roadmap and a sector rotation toward AI-driven microcap stocks, the company is positioned for a major breakout in the coming quarters. As you watch the market movement, notice the tension between the company's fundamental advancements in AI and its undervalued valuation, creating a rare window of opportunity. For those who believe in the power of technology to disrupt traditional industries, XChange TEC.INC represents more than a ticker symbol. It is a testament to the resilience of innovation and the inevitable march toward a more efficient, automated, and intelligent future.